How to get a $150 Shein working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Shein promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, coupon follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 35% off, $50 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. So here's the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Shein. You will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase, and then proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Shein. This way, you can easily get up to $150 working promo code for Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.